A thief steals a number of rare plants from a nursery. On the way out, the thief meets 3 security guards, one after another. To each security guard, the thief is forced to give one half the plants that he still has, plus 2 more. And finally, the thief leaves the nursery with 2 plants only. How many plants were originally stolen? For this type of the word problem, it's better that you draw a picture and you can visualize that step by step from the picture. So imagine that originally he steals some amount x. We don't know this amount, right? We are trying to figure out the value, the number of the x plants that he steals from the nursery. And then now he will meet with the first security guard, and then after he meets with the first guy, then he'll also meet with the second guy, and then finally he'll meet with the third guy, right? The third guy. So after he meets the three security guards, then at the end he has only 2 plants. Okay. Now, let's do it step by step. So originally he has X plant. And then he hit the first security guard. And then the guard says, give me one half of your plant plus 2 more. So that means whatever he stole in the beginning, now he needs to subtract half of that amount plus 4 more. Sorry, 2 more. Plus 2 more. That's the typo. So plus 2 more. So 1 half of the original x plus 2 more. And we take x, we subtract that amount. Okay, when he first meets with the first guard. Now let's do the calculation for the expression. I have x minus 1 half of x plus 2. So I take the minus, I multiply in, so it's minus 1 half x, minus with 2, plus 2 is minus 2, and then bring down the x, combine the like term, 1x minus 1 half x is 1 half x, right? Plus 1 half x, or x over 2, and minus 2. Okay, so after he met with the first guard, then he only has x over 2 minus 2 plants. And then when he met with the second guard, and this second security guard says that, hey, give me 1 half plus 2 more. Okay, so whatever he has now, he needs to divide by 2, right? He's losing half and 2 more. So he's losing half and losing 2 more, right? So this is the current value. He's losing half, divide by 2, and then he's losing 2 more, subtract 2. Okay, then let's do the calculation. We will simplify the expression before we move forward. Okay, so this is the complex fractions. I would like to multiply by 2 on the top and the bottom. If you multiply a number to the top and the bottom of the fraction, that is okay to do that because you are simply multiply by 1, right? So I multiply by 2 because when I multiply in here, it will cancel with the 2 at the bottom. So I have x only. And then 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. And 2 times 2, it is 4. And minus 2. And then I can split this out. Becomes x over 4 minus 4 over 4 minus 2. This is x over 4. And then 4 divided by 4, which is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2, it is minus 3. Okay? So after he met the second guard, he only has x over 4 minus 3 plants left. Now, when he met with the final security guard, and this final guy say, hey, give me 1 half. So he's losing another 50% or divide by 2. Plus 2 more. So he's losing another 2 more plants, right? The current value divide by half and then subtract another 2 more. So let's do the calculation again. We will have x over 4 minus 3 over 2 minus 2. And then I'm trying to simplify the expression. So I multiply by 4 to the top and the bottom. Because when I bring the minus 4 here, I can cancel with the bottom 4. I only have x. When I bring the 3 and 4 together, that is minus 12 over 4 times 2, it is 8. And then subtract 2. And let's simplify this further. We have x divided by a minus 12 divided by 8 and minus 2. And you can simplify this further. Minus 12 over 8. Let's do it down here. 12 over 8. If you divide by 4, top and the bottom, you get 3/2, right? 3/2. And therefore, I have x over 8 minus 3/2 minus 2. So minus 3/2 minus 2. The LCD is 2. I have minus 3. And then minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. So that is minus 7/2. So I can rewrite this as x over 8 and minus 7/2. Alright? Okay, so when after he made the final, guys, he only has x over 8 minus 7/2. And this amount of the plants is equal to 2. Because the problem tells us that after everything, the thief leaves the nursery with only 2 plants. So we set the expression we just got equal to 2. And now let's solve for that. Okay, so we are trying to multiply the LCD. In this case, it's 8. So I bring the 8 inside, right? Then 8 divided by 8, no more 8. So I have only x. And then when I bring the 8 inside here, 8 divided by 2, it is 4. And 4 times 7, it is minus 28. And then 8 times 2, it is 16. And then I'm going to add 28 to both sides. And 16 plus 28, it is 44. So x equals 44. And that is the original amount that we are looking for, the x value. So he stole 44 plants originally. And that is the value right here. The number of the plants originally stolen was 44 plants.